Hello, third grade boys and girls. Today in science, we are going to focus on chapter 13, electricity and magnets. Today is Sunday, May 10th, 2020. Lesson 1. What is electricity? We will look at the basics in this lesson. As always, let's start with our vocabulary. On a cold day, you may see a person's hair stand up straight. The reason the hair stands up is static electricity. Static electricity is an electric charge that builds up on an object. Lightning is one example of static electricity. I want you to try this. Take a balloon and rub it against your hair. Now move the balloon a distance from your hair. What do you notice? Yes, static electricity causes your hair to stick to the balloon. A static charge builds up in a cloud, and then current electricity moves to the ground in the form of a lightning flash. You may even hear a crackling noise. Here's a fun fact. A lightning flash has enough electricity in it to light a 100-watt bulb for a little more than a month. Fascinating, right? I just love science. Your next vocabulary word, current electricity. What happens when you plug a lamp into a wall outlet? Electricity flows from wires in the wall through the plug and into the lamp's wires. Electricity that moves through a wire is current electricity. People use current electricity to light, heat, and cool homes, to run motors, and to cook food. What other things do you know of that use electricity? Think about it. I want you to share that with your teacher. Your third vocabulary word, circuit. A lamp's bulb glows only when there is a closed circuit. A circuit is a path that electricity follows. Electricity moves from the wall outlet through the lamp and back to the wall again. Now we will focus on how electricity moves. Electricity moves through some things, but not through others. Something that electricity moves freely through is called a conductor. Conductors allows electricity to move through it. Let's look at some examples of conductors. steel, silver, gold, copper, and even seawater. They are all examples of conductors that allows the energy to pass through it. Let's look at the opposite of conductors. Something that electricity will not move through easily is called an insulator. Examples of insulators are the following: wood, glass, rubber, plastic, and even oil does not allow the energy to pass through it. Please complete the activity posted on Class Dojo by your teacher. I hope you have enjoyed the basics of what is electricity in this tutorial. Until next time, take care and stay safe.